In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Ionos contract in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've decided it's time to part ways with Ionos for a new venture, or you're simply looking to cut down on expenses, this guide will walk you through each step of the cancellation process smoothly and effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the Ionos homepage. You can easily find it by searching for Ionos in your preferred web browser, or by going directly to www.ionos.co.uk. Once the homepage is fully loaded, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you closer to accessing your personal dashboard. After you've clicked on Sign In, you'll see an option for Customer Account. Clicking here is crucial as it directs you specifically to the login portal for existing customers, rather than redirecting you elsewhere or to the Services page, which is designed for new customers. You will then see the familiar sign in prompt again. This time it's the gatekeeper to your account. Here is when your journey to cancelling your contract truly begins. You're required to enter your email address, the one you used to sign up for Ionos. After entering your email address, you'll need to click Next to proceed. This process is divided into steps to ensure the security of your account, so make sure you enter the correct email linked to your Ionos services. Following the email input, the next screen will ask for your password. This is a standard security measure. Type in your password carefully and then click on Next again. These steps are there to secure your account and make sure that only you can make significant changes to it, like cancelling a contract now you're in. Welcome back to your Ionos dashboard. From here you need to find your way to the Contracts and Subscriptions section. You can do this by looking for a link or button, usually found easily from the dashboard or within the account settings. This section is where all your active services with Ionos are listed. Within the Contracts and Subscriptions page, locate your Ionos Web Hosting Plus contract or any other service you're aiming to cancel. The page should list all active services and contracts you have with Ionos, making it easier to find the one in question. Upon finding the correct contract, you'll see an option to cancel contract. Clicking this is a big step, but it's precisely what you're here to do. It's this action that initiates the cancellation process for that specific service. Here's where things get a bit more definite. Upon clicking Cancel Contract, you'll be taken to a confirmation page where you'll have the opportunity to cancel the contract immediately by clicking on Cancel Contract Now. This action is typically irreversible, meaning once you confirm, the service will be scheduled for cancellation. Click Cancel Contract Now again if prompted. This is Ionos' way of ensuring you are certain about your decision to cancel. It's also the final step in making sure that the cancellation is what you really want. And with that final click, you've successfully initiated the cancellation of your Ionos contract. It's a process designed for security and clarity, ensuring that at every step you're aware of the action you're taking. The cancellation will take effect according to the terms you agreed to when you signed up for the service, so be sure to review these if you're unsure when your service will officially end. While the process of cancellation can seem daunting at first, especially when it's about parting ways with a service you've used for some time, remember that it's designed to be as seamless and straightforward as possible. By following these steps, you not only ensure that you're taking the correct actions towards your desired outcome, but also protecting your account from unauthorized changes. Should you have any concerns or require further assistance during your cancellation process, Ionos' customer support is there to help. They can guide you through each step, offer further explanations, and help resolve any issues you may encounter. Thank you for following along with this guide. Whether you're moving to a new provider, downsizing, or simply taking a break from your current services, knowing how to manage your contracts effectively gives you control over your online presence and services. Remember, it's always beneficial to review your service agreements and understand the terms of your contracts, ensuring that when the time comes for changes, you're fully prepared.